So you want to say something to all? वैसे तो पागल होते ही हैं सब लोग, लेकिन यहाँ तो फ्रंट रो से लेकर बैक रो सब लोग पागल हो ही गए हैं.
एक बड़ा ही स्ट्रेंज सवाल है, अनोखा सा सवाल है कि ये ट्रेलर आपको कैसा लगा? अनयूजुअल सवाल था ये.
अच्छा, लेकिन सर ट्रेलर तो अच्छा हो गया, लेकिन आपकी एक जो प्रथा बन गई है, बहुत सारे खूबसूरत नौजवान युवकों को आप लॉन्च करते हैं. आई रियली लव दैट. दैट्स फैंटास्टिक. सो वीड लाइक टू मीट देम.
This is the third.
This is the third.
launch.
Actually, we were discussing सलमान सर के साथ, मुझे भी मौका मिला स्टेज पर. This is the third new. I don't want to call them newcomers because I guess that they've really given it their all. लेकिन new promising talent that is being launched. We'd love to see them and we'd love for you to call them on
First we
stage.
start with Suraj and Atiya.
That's right, sir.
And then
Ayush.
Ayush and Varina. And now Zahir Iqbal and Pranutan.
तालियां हो जाए for the entry of Zahir Iqbal and Pranutan Bahl के लिए. Very promising, as you've seen. They've already shown that they can do a very good job on screen.
Pranut.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take a couple of photo ops and then I'm going to call a couple of more people on stage.
जरा कैमरा यहाँ पे डालना है दोनों बापों के फेस पे ऊपर और माओं के फेसेस के ऊपर. Yeah, they'll start crying any moment. इकबाल तो
Sir, Monish sir तो on point रो सकते हैं actually in all the television series. That's what I've heard about you. Done. All right, we're done with the photographs. I'd like to also call two very important people on stage that have put this project together. Murad sir and Ashwin sir के लिए तालियां हो जाए. The producers. Can we get some more mics? Yeah. Okay. अच्छा पहले सर little closer so that we can just take some photographs. अच्छा without mics. ऐसा करो mic पीछे रख ले सही. Just put it back. Yeah, your back pocket. अब everyone look straight up. सीधा. ओके रेडी, थोड़ा चालू करें. I'll do a photo up later on also. बहुत सारे बच्चे भी हैं जो आएंगे स्टेज पर, जो सामने बैठे हुए हैं. Big round of applause for all the children. They've done such a good job. Superb. अभी नहीं, थोड़ी देर बाद. But Salman sir, this is you know, I'll tell you something. इतने सारे ख्वाब के साथ लोग आते हैं बॉलीवुड में. You know, they want to make it onto the big screen. You've seen so many seasons. You know, they've come and they've gone. So I obviously read it. It's very widely reported on Wikipedia. You saw him dancing at Arpita ki shaadi and performing, and you said, "Bas."
No, that's not the first time I saw him.
Yeah.
I saw Zahiro when his father came to me. He said कि मेरे पापा और मम्मी ने मुम्मू के मम्मा और पापा के साथ बैठ के शरबत पिए. तो ऐसे शरबत पिए रिश्ता पक्का हो गया. That is when, before he was even conceived, I've known this dude.
But when you saw him, was he
And
full hero
I still
material?
remember, I still owe his father 2011 rupees. वही ना आंकड़ा? हाँ? वही ना 2011 रुपए.
ब्याज के साथ तो बढ़ गया होगा अभी सर.
अब खुद से. भाई अब ये चुका के देगा भाई.
So were you, when he did see you there, so it happens to so many people.
अरे this one झोल did with me
अच्छा.
on his sister's wedding. तो इकबाल comes to me से यार वो शादी में तो आना है आऊँगा. तो इसको संगीत स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे इन लोग. तो ऐसे मैं आ जाऊँगा यार साजिद के साथ मैं आ जाऊँगा वहाँ पर. तो हम लोग घर पे बैठे थे तो ऐसे चलो. तो फिर संगीत स्टार्ट किया इन्होंने. पूरी फिल्म बनाई थी इन्होंने. वीडियो, डांस, परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह वगैरह। इनको पता था कि ये मैं आऊँगा वहाँ पर और ये साइन हो जाएगा।
ये था वैसे थॉट ना?
इंटेंशन वैसा नहीं था लेकिन
वही इंटेंशन था, इंटेंशन वही था और वो कामयाब हो गया। लेकिन उसके बाद 5 years दिस बॉय स्ट्रगल्ड रियली हार्ड। तो 5 साल ही वाज वर्कड विद मी, ट्रेन्ड विद मी, असिस्टेंट इन जय हो। तो बहुत मेहनत की इसने। एंड प्रणुतन, यू डोंट बी लॉयर एनीमोर?
Never.
Huh?
No.
अरे बिकम लॉयर। So her father, Monia. So I've known Monia. Monia is Monish Bahal. So I remember he used to be shooting 3 shifts.
सर आज सारे पोल खुलने वाले हैं। यस बिल्कुल सर।
So I was struggling. The only one thing I used to do, go to Sea Rock as a model assistant and go and work out in the gym where I was underage, which he had to pay for because Prabhu was the general manager then. He at that point in time didn't have much respect for me. I don't think even now he has it. But so he used to have this panga with me. He used to keep me out of the gym. So whenever he was not there, I used to go into the gym. He used to pay for it. And so one day he comes on the bench. I was working out. He says, move out to the bench. I said, why? He said, I'm really tired, man. I've been doing 3 shifts. I shot in Mumbai. Then I went to Hyderabad. And I've just come back. And it's just too tiring. You know, dude, I wish God gives me a break. Next week, his film released, Teri Baahon Mein. God did listen to him. God gave him the longest break. And then I got a film called Maine Pyar Kiya. Okay? And Raj
तालियां हो
Babu,
जाए, मैंने प्यार किया ऐसा मिला। या
the first person to sign me was Raj Babu. He passed away yesterday. God bless his soul. So I went and met Raj Babu and they signed me for a film. उसमें एक negative lead था. So I said, you know, why don't you try Monish Bahl? He said, नहीं नूतन जी के बेटे उनको negative में कैसे ले सकते हैं? तो I turned around and said, if Monish gets to know about this, he will die. So I went to Nutan ji. And then I got her from Sagar Sangeet, from Kaf Parade, to meet Raj Babu. And she convinced Raj Babu that my son, God gave him a long break. Right now he's under BMWs and Mercedes Benz and repairing cars. वो तो अभी भी चल रहा है इनका. So that is how he got into मैंने प्यार किया then.
वैसे आप सर बहुत मेहनत करते हैं। People don't realize this. You go to any lengths to help a lot of the people that you
No,
see that have talent.
Not help, the deserving candidates, not anybody.
Can I just give a mic to Monish sir? Okay, yeah.
So Athia and Suraj is not the first break that Salman's given. I was the first. Yeah.
Super. Well, it's about payback time now.
And after he gave me that break, see where his career went.
Pranutan, are you overwhelmed?
Yeah, very, very overwhelmed. I'm also a little nervous of this banter. I don't know where this is heading. So I'm just keeping quiet because they have a lot of stories. Yeah. Which also
Salman sir
shouldn't
with
be
his friends
revealed.
will have a lot of stories. Lekin, did she convince you first shot only? Did Pranutan, were you convinced in one shot?
Yeah, before even seeing the rushes, I told him she's on. She did a screen test. So I said, she's on. I mean, I've interacted with her. She's out. And she's amazing in the film. Amazing. And she's so good with her lines and itni आसानी से dialogues. And the most important thing is, वो जो inflammatory dialogue जो होते हैं ना एकदम ऐसे वाले, वो बड़े आसानी से आते हैं.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
So now we'll have the witness to all of these things. The director Nitin Kakkad को मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगा. सारी अंदर की बातें जो खुल गई. आपने फिल्मिस्तान देखी होगी, one of my favorite films of all time. Nitin sir.
And those kids have made the film.
Lots has been said. अब सलमान सर ने तो बड़ी तारीफें कर दी दोनों की और अगर जहीर के इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर जाओ तो हर पांचवा पिक्चर इनके 6 पैक का होता है. सो द ब्यूटी इज दैट ऑब्वियसली हियर वी आर नॉट सीइंग दैट. तो बहुत काम करना पड़ा या इजी था?
इजी था, बहुत इजी था. आई थिंक Pranutan and Zahir both are, as Salman sir just said, deserving candidates to be launched because they're very hungry, I would say, and they worked like how they've been. I think they went through a training of 3 months, and they've just, you'll see the film. They are, I don't want to say
3 months on
it's
this film, but
fantastic.
they've been training for the last 5 years.
So, मुराद सर, if I ask you, जब न्यू टैलेंट को लॉन्च किया जाता है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा स्ट्रेस रह सकता है. वो क्या खरे उतरेगी सारे लोगों की उम्मीदों पर, फिर आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स पर, फिर प्रोड्यूसर पर, ये सारे सवाल होते हैं. तो वो बेचारे ऑलरेडी अंडर प्रेशर रहते हैं, लेकिन आप पर प्रेशर रहता है कि नहीं रहता है?
प्रेशर तो रहता है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है न्यू कमर कोई भी फिल्म बनाओ प्रेशर तो रहता है. अगर एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर है वो भी
नहीं, एस्टैब्लिश्ड एक्टर में ऑलरेडी छोटा सा फैन बेस अगर रहता है,
हाँ,
वो लोग मानते हैं.
लेकिन उसमें भी प्रेशर तो होता है.
नहीं, वो उसमें होता है भाई, हम झेल चुके हैं. उसमें पैसे कभी कभी वापस देने पड़ते हैं.
लाइक आई सेड सर, एक रात, वो एक छोटी सी एक ऐसी रात रहती है. अश्विन सर, वुड यू से दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू, हाउ शुड आई से, टू कन्विंस? आप लोग बहुत अलग अलग फिल्में बना रहे. दिस ईयर यू गॉट लाइक 3 big releases that are coming up. 2018 was a very different year. 2018 ने लोगों की आंखें खोल दी हैं, you know, for the kind of content cinema जो driven चल रहा है, you know, as producers. इसके बारे में अब double take हुआ है कि, you know, resetting the clock as far as your content is concerned and the thought is concerned.
No, I don't think so, yeah, because I think content has always worked. I think people have just realized it last year that content works, but content has been, if content didn't work, films won't work. So content has always
No,
been
but
king.
people came with no expectations, and from May to now is apparently like it's been a crazy golden run box office wise.
Yeah, but it's always happened in every year from the 70s, 80s. You see, you know, the year when the first Golmaal release, which Amol Palekar, that was the biggest hit of the year, and that was during Bachchan's prime. So it did more business than any of his films. So content has always worked. So I believe this is not a new thing. So.
It's a different kind of launch also. It's a, like you said, it's a different love story. Zahiro, were you a little bit nervous at all? I saw you getting a little nervous. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे तुम अपने नाखून चबा बैठोगे.
Yeah, I'm slightly nervous. It hit me today morning that the world is going to see my work that I have done. They know how good or bad you are at what you do. So it's nerve-wracking.
तो अभी जो तुमने सबके सामने देखी है, वो फील आ रही थी क्या? Were you able to be non-objective and say मैंने ठीक काम किया है?
No, I personally I feel I did a good job.
That's great. Salman sir, are you able to be non-objective? Or you know, when you're watching the stuff that you are producing and you are making, ऐसा हो सकता है कि okay, I can be non-biased.
So kill him. I have to kill him. If I don't like something, I ask him to do it over and over again.
Really?
Now, now there was one dance step that he could not get. So I had to stand up and just imagine, I had to stand up and show it to him. लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा भलता था. So I had to stand up and show him the dance step. Then he's gone and he's rehearsed about 4-5 hours with him in the studio. Then he's gone, he's rehearsed it all night and he's gone and done it. So he's
You know
very
what?
hard working.
You know what we're going to ask you to do now, ना? ये जो डांस स्टेप इतना मुश्किल था, जो शायद आ नहीं रहा था, डांस स्टेप देखना है आपको?
नहीं अभी पर्दे पे देखो, पता नहीं खराब कर यहाँ पे तो.
Thank you.
Listen. This is now, अभी दरवाजा खुल चुका है. अब हर कोई तुम्हें हर चीज पे, you know, there'll be.
It's not a step that was hard. It was a whole long sequence, which
You can't
it's
get
better
away
to
from
see
this.
it on screen.
उसका 5 सेकंड का तुम्हें हल्का सी बुमरो वाला तो कर लो यार, वो जो कर रहे थे, वो हम लोग देखना चाहेंगे. Do you want to see it?
बच्चों को लेके आओ, बच्चों को लेके आओ,
We'll
बच्चों को
call the
लेके
children
आओ.
on stage and we'll do
ये
it
भी
with them.
हमारे सास हैं पिक्चर के. आ जाओ, कम.
Ready? Wonderful. अब तो तालियां हो जाना, जबरदस्त किया. अच्छा, इस टाइम पर मैं एक ऐसे बंदे को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगा जिसने म्यूजिक दिया इस फिल्म का. यू नो, सोलो कंपोजर्स बड़े मुश्किल होते हैं. उसकी आवाज भी इन द ट्रेलर थी. विशाल, डू कम ऑन स्टेज यार. इट्स अमेजिंग. तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए. बिग डील. सोलो कंपोजर आज की डेट पे मतलब एक एक आदमी के साथ तो एक एक गाना या एक एक अंतरा बनता है आजकल. एंड नाउ यू आर डूइंग द होल फिल्म. दिस इज रियली रियली बिग डील एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रस्ट ऑन यू एंड लॉट्स ऑफ प्रेशर आल्सो ऑन यू.
It's been a wonderful process actually. पूरा म्यूजिक पहले गाने से लेके आखिरी गाने तक हम लोगों ने कुछ गाने सब साथ में बनाया. इट वाज जस्ट अ टीम एफर्ट दैट वी डिड एंड बिग बॉस के घर पे भी जाके गाने बनाए हमने. वहाँ पे भी सर वाज गाइडिंग एंड it's been such a team effort कि अब जब गाने completion की तरफ जा रहे हैं, so I feel extremely nostalgic and grateful about everything. So yeah.
Superb. I can't wait to actually hear the tracks also. It's going to be amazing. We're going to take some fan questions also. यहाँ पे मैं माइक का है, मैं एक फैन क्वेश्चन लेना चाहूंगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लान ही ये था जी.
पहले बच्चे लोग क्या बोलना चाहोगे आप?
सिर्फ एक दो. where can I take it? Yeah, one sec.
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया और मुझे कपिल सर, फिरदौस मैम और सलमान खान बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
So sweet. अब तुम्हारी एज में मैं पूछ भी नहीं सकता कि फेवरेट फिल्म सलमान सर की आपको कौन सी पसंद है. तो आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर कि हाउ फार बैक वी कैन गो. अच्छा, तुम में से किसका फेवरेट, सलमान सर का फेवरेट फिल्म कौन सा है? तुम सबसे बड़े लग रहे हो. डू यू वांट टू से इट? यस. व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म?
My favorite film of Salman sir is Tiger Zinda hai.
मेरी बजरंगी भाईजान है. तो सलमान सर जब रोते हैं वो बहुत वो ऐसा डर.
नहीं
नो, अच्छा सॉरी.
सलमान सर मुझे रोते हुए बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं.
अच्छा. Sweet. Yeah, okay, go.
Hello. Hi sir, this is Gary here. Sir, my question is to Zahir.
अच्छी लगती है उसकी बहुत.
हाँ.
मुझे बजरंगी फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगती है, इसके बहुत.
आप जिस तरह बोलते हो वो इतने एक्साइटिंग है. ये एक सवाल ले लेते हैं. गो अहेड बडी.
Hi sir, this is Gary here. First of all, sir, I'm a very big fan, Salman sir. And my question is to Zahir sir. I have heard that this full movie has been shot in Kashmir. So, what was your best experience while shooting this movie?
Hi, how are you? Thank you all
I'm
for
good,
being
thank
here. Firstly, my best experience of Kashmir was my interaction with the people there. I think I've traveled a lot, but I haven't met such loving people anywhere in the world. I want to say this that एक होता है कि आप किधर जाओ और आप किसी के घर जाओ और वो मेहमान नवाजी करे, आपको खाना खिलाए and they're nice to you. और एक होता है कि पकड़ के कि नहीं घर आओ यार, घर आओ, थोड़ा खाना खा लो, थोड़ा मेरे घर पे अच्छी चाय बनती है, आप पी लो. So it's those kind of people there where बुला के they are so hospitable there. So yeah.
That's
Fantastic.
brilliant. Yeah.
ओके, फेसबुक पर भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आए थे. मैंने कल ट्विटर पर बहुत सारे सवाल किए थे. इतने सारे सवाल आ गए. सलमान सर, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर यू एंड प्रनूतन. इफ यू गॉट अ चांस टू पीक इनटू सलमान सर's notebook, what do you think you'll find? Salman sir, you'll also have to see if she gets that right. Pranutan, what do you think you'll find? Be honest. This is not checking on the left and then deciding the answer. Sir.
You'll find crosses and red underlined marks.
Really?
And first of all, she would not have any approach to my notebook or my diary because if she opens it, she'll die of a heart attack.
So that means you would
The
never.
father will die of a heart attack. What?
You know, we've spoken to almost everyone on stage over here. Zahir's dad is also here, sir. 2011 की तो 2011 जो रुपए हैं उनकी तो ब्याज बनते चले गए. But first time seeing your son on stage, seeing on the big screen, क्या feeling रही आपकी सर?
बहुत अच्छा feel हो रहा है. Just love it. And Salman is there, not to worry. So happy for him.
Yeah, it's almost like a fixed deposit, right? You know that you're going to get a guaranteed return. 100%. तालियां हो जाए सबके लिए. We'll take a little photo op now with all the children. Let's all huddle up in front over there. And how do we do this? Okay, one second.
To say to everyone.
Yeah. One sec. I'll just get the bench for the children. We'll just get a little bench. Yeah, 1 second. We'll just build this bench up.
मेरी एक wish है बना रहे हैं।
अभी आप लोग को इस पे बैठना है. Sit on this. Sit on this. Sit on this. Just come on the side, yeah. One sec. Just yeah, the front. Wait, one sec. मैं ये mic ले लेता हूँ. Thank you, बेटा. Thank you. Okay, wait. Salman sir, we need to do a selfie also, which you will have to hold. है ना? So, you hold it like that. और इसमें सब पीछे आएंगे. हाँ, just वो click करना है. Yeah. Wait one sec. We'll get everybody on. सब पीछे आ जाओ. और जो उस लाइन में होंगे, appear super excited. हाथ ऊपर. Yeah. लाइट आ रही है लेकिन sadly. एक्चुअली लाइट की वजह से ना वन सेक विल जस्ट रिड्यूस द लाइट यार वो एकदम स्ट्रेट आ रहा है या बाकी इंस्टाग्राम का कमाल है सुपर थैंक यू सर ऑलराइट वन सेक ऑलराइट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस सारे जो पीछे फैंस आए थे सबने फोटो ले ली आपकी सेल्फी ऐसी आई होगी ना उल्टी आई होगी Oh, Dhwani is also. Dhwani, yes. Listen, we want to give a big round of applause for the. I think 1 billion views हो चुके हैं उसके online. Dhwani भानुशाली के लिए तालियां हो जाए. This is another girl. Do come on stage, Dhwani, who we've literally seen in the last 2 or 3 years. She's still in college. Do fantastically well. तालियां हो जाए यार. She's fantastic. लेजा के साथ तो she's hit big time. And she's got a track in this also. So I'd like to take another nice picture here, sir. Yeah. No. Just a picture from the front. Yeah. If we can all just come in a little closer. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Salman sir. Thank you so much. We'll just do the exits a little slowly. Dhire, huh? One sec. Just 1 minute. Yeah, they can. 1 sec. I'll take that gift. You've given it to me earlier, na? I'll take that gift. And I'll give it to Salman sir, yeah? Well done, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, तालियां हो जाए Salman sir के लिए. बच्चे, just wait for 1 second. Yeah. Just 1 second. Salman sir को थोड़ा निकलने तो उसके बाद निकलेंगे ताकि easy हो जाएगा सबके लिए. सोलो मिला ना स्टार्टिंग में अच्छा फैमिली के साथ ओके 1 sec Yeah, 1 second. 1 sec. Yeah. You all also stay. Yeah. एक सेकंड वापस बुला रहा हूं मैं स्टेज पर बुला रहा हूं Yeah. Sir, can I have both the families up on stage? Sir, can you come on stage? Yeah. From here only, sir. You can come from here. हो गया? Thank you. We start left, straight and right. First left. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Zahiro and Pranutan, thank you so much. Good luck, guys. Well done. Solo. First, Zahir and Pranutan left. First left. Your left. 1 sec. Now straight. Then we go right. Yeah. Abhi pehle back to straight. Just 1 sec, huh? Just straight. Just look straight at him. Baba, look straight here. Straight here. Sharif, I should have called you on stage actually. Abhi solo. Stay on either side. 1 sec. You stay that side. You stay this side. Yeah. Now, Pranutan, you look straight. You look here. They'll split up in the photographers here. Now, Pranutan, just look on your left. Zahiro, look on your right. On your right. Okay, 1 sec. Now you all stay on stage. Come on, kids. Let's come up on stage. एक बच्चों के साथ भी ले लो यार एक साथ. हाँ बच्चों के साथ. अब मैं बुला रहा हूँ तो वो निकल रहा है यार. Okay, come darling. Come in the middle. Come in the middle. सब लोग आ जाओ. सामने आ जाओ. सामने. Okay, ready? बच्चों स्माइल करो यार. स्माइल गाइस. यू कैन वेयर चश्मा. वेयर चश्मा पहन लो से. अच्छा नहीं है. ओके ओके लेट्स डू वन. एक साइड एक क्रेजी शॉट. जंपिंग अप शॉट तो कर लो. ऐसे बच्चे कौन ऐसे खड़े रहते हैं सिर्फ. ओके रेडी. ऐसे वो जंपिंग वाला शॉट है कि नहीं. 1 रेडी. 1 you have to jump in the air. No, you don't have to jump behind. They are just in front. 1 2 3 jump. थोड़ा coordination, no problem. Thank you darling. Thank you so much. Thanks guys. Thank you so much. Thanks bro. See you soon. Bye. Thank you. Bye. See you. Okay, and that wraps up proceedings, ladies and gentlemen. आपको शायद अभी जाने नहीं दिया जाएगा 5 मिनट बाद.